Welcome to Garden Wise Adventures. My name is Malie, and today I have some exciting news. It's going to be a short video, but I wanted to show you a little update on my front yard project. So let's go see what's going on. Now as you look, it doesn't seem like there's very much going on. It all looks the same, a lot of snow, deeply frozen ground. But let me kind of go over what I've been doing on my property before we get to what's happening soon. Now I'm in the process of converting most of my yard to plants rather than grass. I removed this grass a couple of years ago, put in a bunch of plants. We've got my figs all covered up over there. This is my chase tree. And this area has done really well, and I've been really happy with it. The next area that I worked on is my side yard. I added a new food forest. All of this area, all the way back to the hill back there, was grass. I removed all the grass, brought in some mulch and some soil, planted some fruit trees. I've got a bunch more coming, and I'll do an update video when they get here. Now the next area I was starting to work on was my front yard. Last year I had a contractor who was going to come and work on it, but because of different circumstances he was not able to come and finish the job. The only thing that got started was a little path through here. Okay, I take that back. That wasn't the only thing that got started. We tore out all of the irrigation. Over there under the tarp is my irrigation box. And I piled some soil from the backyard on there to spread a little bit over the front yard. But the irrigation got done. This little path right here that's going to go to my front door got partially dug, and that was it. All my grass died. It's completely gone. And then we were stuck. So I was figuring that I would need to do the rest of this myself, but I found a contractor who's available. He's actually working across the street, and he is going to finish all the hardscape. Now he showed up yesterday, and as you can see, they did some digging. But if you look, that's about all they were able to get in some of these other areas. The ground is completely frozen solid. So what they did is they moved the snow off the path. And this is where they're going to build the pad. Now I decided to go with a larger path that goes towards the backyard. So that's going to preclude having my open space up here. So you can see where the orange lines are. That's where the sidewalk is going to be. And then I was going to have a larger open space through this whole area. But we're just going to have to see what it looks like and what happens with it. But this is going to be a little sitting area right up here. It's going to be big enough so that this is a big gate and a little gate. Both of those are gates. It's going to be big enough so that it can open through here. So I don't know, to have a local scapes, you have to have a central open space that's no larger than 33% of the property. That can be lawn, it can be lower, it could be mulch, it could be lower growing plants. I'm wondering if maybe my central open space could be low growing plants through this area. Since we're getting, this is the beginning of March, since we're going to be getting the hardscape done so early, I'll have plenty of time to dig up and transplant some of my other plants. We'll probably remove my last Alberta spruce. Makes me kind of sad. I kind of like this plant, but it just really doesn't match everything. We're not going to be able to move the fruit trees. These are very special trees, and I don't want to take the chance of moving those. So we'll have to see what happens with this. I'm not sure, but it's going to be fun planning it out. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you a quick update on what is going on, and I will definitely post another video as soon as they start work and show you the process and what they're doing. But I would love to hear if you guys have any projects going this spring, what your plans are, and what you're doing in your gardens. And I hope you've liked this video. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe, and go have a wonderful garden adventure.